CNBC-TV18, embarking on a quarter century of excellence.
Okay, welcome back. We got the pre-open, which is about 14 minutes out. Anuj is here with a quick look at how he's looking at the trade setup. Anuj, morning.
Morning, Prashant. It's been a very strong month for the market, and large caps have started to make a bit of a catch-up. I'm just looking at what the markets have done. This is this month and this year. And the Nifty is up 4.2% this month, mid-cap up 3.5%, and small-cap up 1.8%. So there's finally some catch-up, because even after that, if you look at the yearly moves, the Nifty is 16%, is still trailing far behind the mid-cap and small-cap, which are at 41 and 42% respectively. So perhaps some more to go for the large caps. And if this FI buying continues, which has been the case for last many days, except one, there's possibility that this continues. As I said, barring one day, out of the last 10 days, there's been FI buying. Even on Friday, you saw that big buying. Of course, there was that big block as well. But even then, that's also money coming into the market, right? The other thing to focus on is that if the FI money comes in, then where does it go? 5 of India's biggest stocks have underperformed. If you look at biggest of them, Reliance, for example, is down 3.5%. That's excluding Jio Financial. But even if you add that, there's underperformance. TCS 11%, HDFC Bank 1.4%, ICICI Bank 8.7%, Infosys is actually down 5%, and Lever is down 7%. And this in a Nifty, which is up 16% for the year. So maybe some catch-up could happen here. In the trade setup, the one thing that stands out is FII's and the index futures data, because now we are net long. 58% positioning on the long side and 42% positioning on the short side. It's the first time that FIs are long since October 1. That was the time that they went short, and since then they have been short, and now they're net long. Now coming to the outlook for the day on the Nifty, there's first resistance at 21,006, which is Friday's high, also the all-time high. But I think the bigger resistance comes in at 21,167 based on the options. And support area is 2850 to 2860. Just look at the lows of the last 3 days. Every day the market's bouncing from this zone, 2852, 2851, and 2862. That's the low of last 3 days, if you see the table. So that's something to watch out for. Quickly on the Bank Nifty, it started to outperform the Nifty. This month, it's up 6.2%. versus 4.2%. But remember, this year it's again comparatively underperforming, up only 10% versus 16% for the Nifty. And main reason for that is HDFC Bank. So let's see if there's some more catch-up play which happens, especially if FIs start to buy again.
All right, Anuj, thanks a lot for joining in, and thanks for prepping us up for trade.